Everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are diving into a quick and elegant dish that is busy with flavor. Shrimp spaghetti recipe. Let's dive into it. Let's start by preparing our star player, which is our shrimp. This shrimp has already been seasoned, sliced with salt and just a slightly seasoning. You can also add some black pepper to it. Fry it until it's well cooked. Like as you can see in the video, our shrimp is already cooked. Add some diced onions. This is going to be a very quick shrimp recipe and it's very busy with flavor. Add some diced carrot, which is some cut carrot, just the size you want, any shape you want. Steam this, not cook, but you can still feel that crunchy taste in it. I will add green paste to it and steam this together. I don't want it to be too cooked, but I just want to feel that crunch taste of our vegetable. Add some little seasoning. Don't over add, just like a quarter teaspoon of seasoning. Then we are going to be needing tomato paste. For this, steam this or fry this until you feel the dry taste of your tomato paste. This tomato paste is going to add extra flavor to your spaghetti. As I said, it's a very busy flavor spaghetti recipe. As you can see, it's properly fried. So I'm going to go ahead and add tomatoes puree to this. This is just blending tomatoes and some habanero pepper and onion and red bell pepper. So that's why it's called tomatoes puree. Just combination of all that to get that flavor back to your spaghetti. Stir properly until your tomato puree is mixed together and cook this until it's well cooked, like dry. So this is the outcome after some minutes. So you can see it's fully cooked and it's fully dry. You can see the vegetable oil is in the surface of your sauce. So our sauce is almost ready. It's not time for us to start adding any additional flavor. I'm going to go ahead and add some seasoning, some salt. You can also add some black pepper. You can add some herbs if you like, if you so want. You can add some herbs to it. Then so I'm going to give it a quick stir. Our spaghetti is properly cooked. I forget to record that earlier, so I'll go ahead and add my cooked spaghetti into my sauce and stir until it's properly combined with my sauce. It actually smells good and the flavor, you're going to meet all the busy flavor in the spaghetti. You are going to love the taste of the. Make sure you stir your spaghetti properly with your sauce, so your spaghetti will be very rich with your sauce. As you can see, this is very rich with sauce. So I'm going to go ahead and add my steamed vegetable earlier. Then we're going to top it with our shrimp. This shrimp spaghetti is very rich and is very full of flavor. At this point, cook your spaghetti with low heat because you just only need to steam your spaghetti with your vegetable, your mixed vegetables and your shrimps. Stir until everything is well combined with your spaghetti. Stir your mixed vegetable with your spaghetti to get that fresh flavor of shrimp spaghetti. Add your fried shrimp on top. As you can see, it looks very inviting and it smells so good in my kitchen. I guess you will be trying this recipe. Will you be trying this recipe? Let me know in the comment section and let me know the outcome if you tried this recipe. Thanks for cooking with me today. Do not forget to like this video and follow me for more delicious recipe. Until next time, happy cooking.